I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to find out about Virgin's coverage in your area, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit the Virgin Mobile website. Go to the official Virgin Mobile website using your preferred web browser. This is where you'll find the most accurate and up-to-date coverage information. Step 2. Locate the coverage map. Once on the site, look for the coverage map section. This is usually found in the main menu or footer of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your location. Input your address, city, or zip code into the search bar on the coverage map page. This will help you see the specific coverage in your area. Step 4. Analyze the coverage. After entering your location, review the coverage details displayed on the map. Look for different colors indicating various coverage levels such as 4G or 5G. Step 5. Check for service availability. If you find that your area has limited coverage, consider checking the service availability for specific devices or plans. This can help you make an informed decision. Remember, sometimes the coverage may look good on the map, but actual service can vary based on local conditions. If you're in a rural area, for instance, you might notice weaker signals than expected. I hope this guide helps you easily check Virgin's coverage in your area.